the Savage MultiFlex Light Stand. Hi, I'm Joel Grimes with the Joel Grimes Academy, and today we're going to look at the Savage MultiFlex Light Stand. When this first came across, it was presented to me, I looked at it and said, wait a minute, I have been looking for a light stand like this for years. So about 12 years, 13 years ago, I did a whole series on strobing cactus out in the desert, using strobes and big swirls and things like that. So I had a light stand at the time that did no adjustments on the legs, did not have a very wide footprint, and I think twice it blew over, and it's not a very good idea to have your light hit the dirt when it's 10 feet in the air. So I would take sandbags. When I'm out in the desert carrying stuff, carrying all this other extra weight was really kind of a hassle. But there are some light stands. I have an Avenger. It's a really big one. I wouldn't carry it out in the desert, but it has an adjustable, one leg adjustable portion that I can level out on uneven ground. So it's not a bad thing. On smaller light stands that are lightweight enough to carry in the field, I don't know if I've ever seen an adjustable leg. There might be some out there. But the nice thing about this Savage, this one I've got is the 10-footer. I believe they make, I think it's a 6-footer. Don't quote me on that, but I know I have the 10-footer. And so this thing will do where you can put it in tight corners. I'll show you in a minute. It also, one leg can go down low to go underneath, like say a couch or a piece of furniture. So when you're trying to set it up and doing a shot, that's kind of a neat idea. Obviously the uneven terrain and on stairs. That's why I'm standing in front of my stairs here to show you that. So let me take the light out. I'm gonna show you kind of how it looks, how it sets up, the easy kind of the ability to move it around and stuff, and then you guys can get an idea what this is all about. All right, so let's take a look at this light. Nice thing about this, it comes with a really cool little carrying case, which of course, if you're out in the desert, you can put that over your shoulder. Plus, it protects the stand so you can throw it in with your other junk and things aren't rattling around. So it's got a Velcro snap strap here that puts together, and the first thing you'll notice is that the legs come up. It's a really cool design, and I don't know, someone put a lot of effort into this design. So the legs go down, and there's these tracks that comes on. So there's one track for one leg, and then there's another track for two legs. So that's the first thing you'll notice about this. So I'm going to sit here and just drop it down, and you'll notice it's not quite level there, but there is a little bubble on here that I can level. So I just take and I can adjust this part here to level out my light stand. That looks pretty level to me. All right, so the first thing I would like in a stand like this for me in the field to hold my strobes from blowing over, whatever, is the footprint. So let's take a look at this footprint, and this is kind of crazy. So I'm going to run this down. We're going to slide these out. And I'm going to bang this around here, but this is a humongous footprint. I don't think I've ever seen a light stand that has this big of a footprint. So we're going to now run this. Let's see. This is new to me, folks. So let's go to right about there. Lock that down. I'm a little off on my leveling here. So let's take a look at my I got to make sure my bubble is right about there. Okay, so that is probably about 5.5 feet circle, maybe a 6-foot circle. That is humongous. So that's going to give me the stability I need out when the wind's blowing. And the second thing that's important to me is the ability to now put this on an uneven surface. So let's take a look over here. I got my stairs. That's why I'm all set up here. So let's say stairs number 1, that's pretty darn easy right there. I've already got an uneven. If I go up to the next level stairs, I would probably run this up like that, lock it down, then come up to stairs number 2 here. Let's try this. That's two steps. It will also go up to one more. So we take this and push it like that, and now we've got a 3-step, I don't have the 3rd step there, but that'll be a 3-step position. So I don't think I've seen a light stand that can do a 3-step stairs. So that covers that. If you're out in the outdoors, you've got uneven surfaces. There's a way to configure this thing. So it's really, I just now pulled it out of the box, so I'm just kind of getting used to it. Now you got this cushion, you got your cushion sections here, beautiful. This will go all the way up to 10 feet, which is more than high enough for what I need. It's pretty stout all the way around. You got your little leveler. Pretty crazy little setup here. So if you're looking for a light stand that allows you to have a wide footprint with the ability to set it up on uneven terrain, get into corners, get under a leg underneath the couch, whatever, this is your baby right here. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that little bell, and then you can keep up with all my current content.